Yeah. Oh, I got a video. Oh, I got that on video. That was cool. In Washington, you don't see this that much. Whoa! Oh! Holy crap!
I've never seen anything like that ever.
Holy
My whole life.
crap! I hope I got that. I hope I got that on video.
That was radical.
That was crazy.
Woo!
Yeah!
That's like right above us.
That's
Don't come down here.
that like went in like a full circle basically.
The lightning hit.
The lightning went in like a full circle. It like started from the top and went down. That was crazy.
I'm out back, BJ.
Why?
See it better.
Okay. Oh crap! Stupid stair.
Over at the airport, they have what's called 48 box plant.
Hi, JJ.
They drop off the fires.
Who turned the light on?
Not me.
You turn the light on?
Yeah, Mom. The lightning. It went. You see this big tree right here? This big tree? And then in that little, like right next to it on the right, lightning started from the top and just went like in a half circle.
Yeah, I've never seen so many segments all like lit up.
Never see this in Washington. Never. I mean, you see a little bit of lightning, but this is just unbelievable.
A little bit.
And it's usually not so many strikes.
Yeah.
all in a row.
There was one that it happened and then thunder happened and it was like a mile away. Oh.
Good one.
That same thing.
But it was like a mile away because the lightning happened and then the thunder happened right away. That's just crazy. Good old, huh? Whoa!
That one though, you could see the lightning.
Yeah, it went from at the
all
top.
around, and it would circle back around.
And it did a half circle, and you could see like little things
segments.
on it.
See all the lit up segments.
That was crazy.
I've never seen anything like that. Ever.
This is.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh!
good one.
I mean, there's segments just lighting up the whole area. So, is there mountains that?
Yeah, well, the
cause
mountains. Yeah, well, yeah. What happens is the mountains are right up over here.
Whoa!
And with every one of these strikes you're seeing now, they can start forest fires out in the mountains.
Whew.
And,
Right.
That was like a flash.
It'll start
bang.
forest fires out there, and then they have a borate plant over at the airport here. When I used to work with the Air National Guard, they come in and use the tankers, and they fill them up, and they go out and drop borate on the fires to put them out.
Well,
And they have smoke jumpers that Navajo Indians.
Really?
They come in. I'd be sleeping over.
Parachuting Navajos.
Yeah,
Jump on the
basically,
fire.
yeah.
Oh, wow,
I'd be sleeping over there in the Civil Air Patrol building, and then nobody there, and all of a sudden there'd be about 200 smoke jumpers
cool.
come in. And wow, but all this type of stuff is dry lightning,
Whoa!
and it'll start a fire.
It hits the ground.
Whoa!
But it's over there in the mountains. Sometimes it comes right in here, and it'll start cracking around. You want to come inside.
I guess you could get hit.
Well, that's what I meant. That's what I said.
Whoa!
You see that one?
Oh!
That was a pretty
That's
good one
where
there.
the other one was, but it went in like a half circle.
That was close.
I'm staying here.
Right.
Stay under the eaves.
Woo! Go get, like, rubber or something. Because rubber conducts.
You're on rubber, aren't you?
I'm not wearing flip-flops. No. I will break your flip-flops.
Just stand on top of them.
Or no, you know what? Just give me a key and a kite.
No.
Why?
Come in a few minutes.
Woo! Alright, so that was over the shed, not head. Oh! No. I'm wearing rubber. Don't worry.
Moms always want their sons to do so. That's like right over the house.
That's okay. I don't have a key on me. I just have my cell phone. iPod. That's crazy. This is one of the good places I think I'd like to move to when I get older. I mean, we got the Croc Center. We got
Croc Center's pretty
100-degree weather, and then we got lightning, hunting, perfect weather.
Now DJ wants to move to Idaho.
Whoa! Oh, that was right over the house. Where's my key? Oh! Whoa! It's okay. I'm wearing rubber. The what? What's that? What? Oh. Woo! See, that was like 7 miles away. It's not close. Oh, that was close. Started around 8. Woo! Oh! What? No. Ah. Ah. No, it's okay. I'm going. I'm coming in.